Hey guys, so last couple of days, my most lovable hackers have been very very aggressive. और इन लोगों को पता नहीं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्यार और मोहब्बत है अनुराग कुलश्रेष्ठ से. As you guys are seeing my posts and everything live and transparent, which I keep posting up there, and also taking up cybercrime as one of my solid root causes, the causes which I'm taking up. So as you can see that, I don't know, recently they tried to actually hack again. My Facebook is logged in from 13 places. This is a screenshot taken from yesterday. और हमारा Instagram is basically is it says logged in, and trusted device की list में it says 1969 December, and there are some 12-13 devices it is showing as trusted devices. Perhaps I was not even born that time, so समझ में नहीं आ रहा इन लोगों को क्या चाहिए. And recently I got this investigated through the cybercrime police and a private agency. तो 3 locations solid evidences आए हैं which we are taking up further actions on. And I don't know what they are trying to achieve, and they must really know, और इनको अच्छी तरह समझ बूझना चाहिए कि अनुराग कुलश्रेष्ठ over the last 30 years of rich solid experience has been crafted and sculpted offline, not online. तो जो लोग ये हरकतें कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन का उनको डरने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ गाय इनफैक्ट हमारे कुछ ऐसे मिलियंस ऑफ फॉलोअर्स भी नहीं हैं, बट येस आई कमांड दैट काइंड ऑफ सॉलिड पावर एंड द काइंड ऑफ द एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज़ जो आधी से ज़्यादा दुनिया कीप्स ट्रैकिंग मी एंड फॉलोइंग मी थ्रू डिफरेंट एजेंसीज़. एंड ये लोग पता नहीं कुछ इन लोगों ने रोल मॉडल बना दिया है, गॉड नोज व्हाट, but they will not be, because this is a cyber crime which they're doing, they will not be left behind, left out. And as you can see recently that हम एक cyber crime complaint the India cyber crime portal में register कर रहे थे, और एक बार register करने के बाद on 31st of May the time stamp says between 11:16 PM से लेके for the next 20 minutes 15-20 OTPs आए, और इसका काफ़ी सॉलिड एविडेंस ऑफ प्रूफ मिला है हमको. एंड आई बेट दे विल नॉट बी लेफ्ट without taking solid prosecution and legal action. This is a mix of probable suspects are the advocates, kala courts, some law officials, some corrupt police staff, some college students, etc., some real estate property people, and some family related and friends, etc. Yeah. So जो भी है, they will not be let loose and spared. That's my assurance. And so see you guys around, and any other evidences that anyone can share with me, that will be most welcome. So see you guys around. Adios.